How to recover a Binance account. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to recover a Binance account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Binance application on your device, or you can also follow the same procedures shown in here in the Binance website. So once you have opened the Binance application, go ahead and tap on the login button and you will be led to the login portal of Binance. Now, since we want to reset the password, tap on the forgot password option you see there. You will then be asked to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address in the email text box and then tap on the submit button. If you entered the correct email address, then you will receive an email with verification code from Binance. So go ahead and open the mail and further enter the verification code in here. You will then be led to the interface where you will be asked to enter a new password and then re-enter your new password. So type in your new password twice and tap on the submit button, and with this you have successfully recovered your Binance account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.